Subscribe to the Take Time channel and press the bell icon to get latest technology updates first.
Welcome to Take Time, and I'm your friend Deepak over here, and today we are going to see different tricks of a VLC media player which we use daily to play a different media files or a movie or a picture. And this software is a freeware, so anyone can download it for free. So today we are going to see how to download a video, online video, YouTube video using VLC Media Player, or how to use a VLC Media Player to convert different files, taking a snapshot, or so many tricks are there. So let's not waste time and start it. You can download VLC Media Player from the link I have given in the description, which is a freeware software. Number 1. Convert media files from one format to another format. For doing that, go to your VLC Media Player and then click on a media, and after that click on a convert/save, and one pop-up will open, and after opening a pop-up, click on the add button. From here you can choose a file that you want to convert and then click on convert/save, and here you will see a different formats to download the files or to save it into the different formats. Select anyone that you want and click on the browse where you want to save that file. Give the name that you want to give and then click on the save, and then click on the start button. Here in the timeline of a VLC media itself, you will see the progress of converting of the video, and once the conversion done, you will be able to see that file where you choose to save it. Number 2. Download online media files. Go to media and then go to convert and save again, and after that you have to go to the network and then go to your YouTube channel or wherever you want to save your YouTube video or any online video. Copy the link of that video. As you can see here, I can copy the link of the URL and then paste the URL here, and then click on convert and the save, and again from the drop down you can select the format in which you want to save the online video, then click on the browse to save the video on your computer. I'm giving name as a YouTube and then clicking on save, and then start the download. Your file will get downloaded to the destination you have selected, as you can see over here. Now you can play the downloaded media whenever you want without internet. Number 3. Record a part of a video or audio which is playing in VLC Media Player. For doing that, you need to go on a view and then select the option of advanced control. In this advanced control you will see one red button. After clicking the red button, your recording will start, and when you want to stop the recording, again press the red button, and once that is done, you can see your file which is recorded from that particular video or audio in the particular folder which is to the videos. When you have recorded audio, you can see the same in a music folder. Number 4. You can record your desktop screen from VLC Media Player, which is a screen recorder too. For doing that, again go to the media and then select convert/save, and after selecting that, click on the capture device, and from the capture device select the desktop and then select your frame per second rate. Here I'm selecting it as a 60, and then you can click on a convert/save. Again you can choose the media format that you want to save with and the destination of a file. I'm selecting it as a screen record and then save, and you can start the recording, and now my recording has been started, as you can see. So when you want to stop the recording, click on the stop button. Now let's see how the file has recorded. You can go to the desktop and select that file and play it. Here you can see my screen has recorded successfully. Number 5. Stream online video in a VLC Media Player, which will save you from watching the unnecessary ads. Again you need to do the same. Copy the video file link and then go to the media and then go to the streams. From here you need to go to the network and then paste the URL of a video, and from stream you need to select a play, and then your video will start playing in a VLC Media Player. As you can see, The title of my YouTube channel video is also showing over here. Number 6. Take a snapshot from the video which is playing in a VLC Media Player. For doing that, you just need to press one shortcut which is a Shift S, and after pressing that you will see that your snapshot from that particular moment has been taken. And to see the picture, you need to go to your computer and then go to the pictures. Over here you can see the snapshot that you had taken right now. Number 7. Add a bookmark to your video. To do that, play your video which you want to add bookmark to, then go to the playback and then custom bookmarks, and then after you need to click on a manage and just click on a create, and it will add the bookmark to particular video, so you can save your favorite moments from particular movie. Number 8. Add subtitle to a particular video that you want. Play that video and then right click on the video screen and then select the subtitle and then select the add subtitle file, and from here you can select your subtitle file you have downloaded, and after opening you'll be able to see subtitles in the VLC Media Player itself. Number 8. Some shortcuts to play VLC Media Player. You can press Shift and then arrow key to forward your video with a little bit time period. In a similar way, you can press Shift backward key to revert your video with a little bit speed. If you want to forward your video with a higher speed, then you can click on Control forward arrow or backward arrow. You can press space to stop a video or press space again to play that video. Number 10. Increase or decrease the speed of a video which is playing. For doing that, you can use few shortcuts like close bracket to increase the speed of a video or a open bracket to decrease the speed of a video, as you can see right now on the screen. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please like, comment and share the video, and if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, then press the icon showing in the circle and check out the other video to see freeware softwares like VLC Media Player, which is must for any Windows. Thank you guys.